the most common movement we see is the push-up. So if you cannot do a push-up on the floor, for beginners, we are taking some of the weight that you might experience when you're laying flat on the ground, and we're taking some of it away by giving you an incline. For us, we have a GHD machine that we'll use. You could use a counter. Just make sure that the surface or wherever you're doing the push-up is not going to slip. It's very sturdy. It won't snap or break or anything else. And also make sure your feet won't slip. If you have your socks on top of a marble surface, then you'll likely slip. To start off, we have about 2 to 3 feet away from the box. And I like to have the heels up because as we're doing a push-up, we're actually leaning forward a little bit with your chest towards your fingers as you're doing a push-up. So keeping your body nice and straight. Legs are tight, butt's tight, abs tight, head's pulled back. We are looking for the elbows to bend. A lot of people, the elbows might not stick exactly down to your side, like some people assume. Some people that might be comfortable, but a very natural position for your shoulder is for your elbows to bend a little bit away from the body, maybe 45 degrees away as you're going down into the push-up. Good control all the way down, a little pause at the bottom and push away. We're thinking of using the arms, shoulder, and chest for this movement while keeping the core nice and firm. So I'm going to show you some faults here. If we have our feet too far back, as we're doing the push-up, you'll see how the shoulders will lead right into your hands and your elbows will flare right out. So that's one way to see that your feet is too far back for the box push-up. And this could be common for regular push-ups if our hand position is too far forward. Another fault that we see is your feet are way too far forward, and going into a push-up, your hands are going to come way into your abs or next to your rib cage. Now, if we're talking about gymnastics, there's a very specific type of push-up that they do, but for our purpose, we're just hoping to have our chest come a little bit forward near our fingertips as we're doing a push-up. So this is a lower box, and I put these plates here so that this box doesn't slide forward. For us, this box is 30 inches. The GHD might have been 40, 42 inches tall. Now this is a box that's 24 inches tall. So you can see progressively we're getting in, our body is getting lower and lower towards the ground. So again, we're on our toes. Our chest comes forward a little bit as we go down, and we finish with the arms nice and locked out. Body is nice and straight. And step back up to the start very safely. That's the box push-up.